Hello, I'm Drew Garcia, and I run product management for a startup called SugarSync. And SugarSync has a very interesting cloud-based synchronization and storage service. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about that today. Now, we're a small startup based in San Mateo, California. But I want to give you some background on our service. We have a very interesting service that works on all of your computers and mobile devices. We work on both Macs and PCs. We have the broadest mobile support in the industry. We have apps for BlackBerry, iPhone, iPad, Android, Windows Mobile, and Symbian devices. So let me give you a quick demo of how this works. So I'm going to start on this computer here, this MacBook Air. Now, SugarSync is already running on this computer and the other mobile devices. So I am going to create a new file, and I'm going to call this the sync file. And I'm going to save this in a directory that is monitored by SugarSync. I didn't do anything special in SugarSync, but behind the scenes, SugarSync detects that a new file was created and immediately uploads it to the cloud. At that point, the file is safe and secure, and in addition, it's available to my other computers and devices. So I'm going to give you a demo on this Android device. Now, Android's been a pretty exciting platform for us. The phones are very good, and some of the tablets that have come out are pretty exciting. So on this Android device, we have our SugarSync app. And from this app, I have access to all of the files from all of my computers. There's the home computer, my work PC, and the MacBook Air. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the MacBook Air. I'll go into Travel Docs and Storage Visions. And there's the file that we just created. So I'm going to open this, and I'm running a document editor on this phone called Word2Go. And it allows me to view the file. But more importantly, I can even edit the file and add a new line. So let's add a second line. Oops, typo. Let's just call this new. It's hard to type sideways. Well, there's some characters. BM new. And I will save this. And SugarSync immediately detects that the file's been changed on this device and prompts me to upload it to the cloud. So again, the file will automatically be synchronized to the cloud, and at that point, it will also be synchronized to my other computers. So if we go back to the MacBook Air, we can go back to that file directly in the file system. Go to Travel Docs, Storage Visions, and you see my new word with the typo, BM new. So we've invested very heavily in a real-time synchronization architecture. So all of this data is available in real time to all of your other devices. And we have some exciting news. Several weeks ago, we made an announcement that we've increased our free plan to 5 gigabytes of storage. So I encourage you to check it out. I don't have a lot of time, but I encourage you to check out the photos and music synchronization.